Hi guys, in this video we're going to jump into how to set up a real estate ad campaign. So let's jump right straight into the video. Hi guys, so we're going to launch a new campaign. So visit Ads Manager. So I usually advise that make sure you must have constructed or created your ad copy, your headline, your FAQs, and also the creative, that is your video or the flyer you want to use for your ad campaign. It's very important that you do this. It's going to make your advertising campaign exceptional and you will save time spent on your laptop or on your system. Next, I'm going to switch to my preferred ad account, specifically a business ad account. In this case, a business prepaid ad account. So I'm going to use this. Okay, so like I said, you can create from this page or you just visit the campaign overview, the whole campaign tab. So here it basically shows all previous campaigns and the active ones. So we click on the create to start. So take note, this ad campaign we're running is a real estate ad. So it's under the special ad category and we're doing an engagement ad campaign to get more messages. So I click on continue. Then I'm going for manual setup as we all know. So click on continue again. Okay. So because of this campaign would most likely get to August. So I could decide to call it, okay, let me just call it July, August, July, August 2024 real estate. Okay, this should last for at least 1 week. Okay, so I'm going to declare the category here, or you could do that here if you want. So it's housing, ads for real estate listings. Yep, so this is what we're going for. So click on that. Okay, so go here. Good, so we've declared our ad category. So we go to next. So we scroll down. Then we select our preferred Facebook page. So I'm using this particular page. Okay. Yep. So we scroll down and we're using only WhatsApp. So I'm going to unselect Messenger and let it be only WhatsApp. All right. So I scroll down. Okay, for the budget, depending on what your clients paid you, for this, let's start with 3,000 naira per day. Okay, we're going to talk about budgeting later. This campaign is a real campaign. We're not joking here. So I want to schedule it for Saturday. Okay, this is Saturday 27th. So I wanted to start running by 8 a.m. Or should we say 7? Okay, let's go with 7. 7 a.m. Okay, so I'm also going to 7 a.m. So I'm also going to set an end date just 1 week from now. Okay, so this is starting today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you see Saturday, same time. All right. I'm gonna leave that. Budget scheduling. Nope. Let's leave all of this. So our audience, we are basically going to do a rules targeting. So I'm going to edit the location. I'm going to select just Abuja. and Port Harcourt. That's what our client wants. Port Harcourt. Abuja and Port Harcourt. So let's see the audience size. Okay, 2 million is good. 2 million is great. So for the age, I want to push this to 30 years. Let's do 30. Let's see. What do we still have? Okay, 1.4. Okay, that's okay. Now, I don't want to do any targeting. Just leave it this way. We could select language, English. Okay, let's go for English. Okay. So that's going to be easy to close the deal. That's why we're going for English. Then we'll click on next. Okay. So we're going to create an ad. It's already selected. We're not going to use an existing post. So we're creating from this dashboard. And it's going to be a single image or a single video. So we let that activated. Next, we'll click on add media. Then we'll click on add video. We're using a video. And for this video, we're going to upload it from here. So click on upload. So this is the video. Then we'll click on open. Uploading, you could see 0%. It's uploading currently at 90%. So it's at 100. We are good to go. Okay. So you could view it if you want, but just close it. So we'll click on next. Then you also have the opportunity to trim if you want to trim anything, but I don't want to trim anything. All right. So click on next. Make sure you use original, so it doesn't overlap. Okay. For example, if you go for 1:1, this is what's going to happen to your video. You don't want that. Okay. So always go for original. Or if you have separate videos or creative that matches the exact aspect ratio, you could replace it with the current one. If not, always go for original. Alright guys, so let's move on. Click on next again. Yeah, so make sure all optimization is always on. It will do your ad good. Then we'll click on done. Yeah, so this one you could ignore it. Also, I usually like my ad preview to be off. Okay, one of the reasons is because it reduces the load. I wouldn't want I wouldn't want this page to start hanging or having any glitch or delay, something like that. So I usually want to turn this off because I'm already prepared for this ad campaign. That's another reason. So scroll down. So you could ignore all those errors that are showing there. So my primary text, which is my ad copy, has already been created. So to clear this and paste. Okay, so you can always read it again. Okay, so we're gonna add a headline. Own your piece of capital city. Okay, this is beautiful. That's all. So you could decide to write a description or you leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I usually leave it actually. So I'm gonna leave that. Then we move down. So for your call to action button, we're gonna select. I usually prefer contact us. So let's go with contact us or book now. Let's go with contact us. That's okay. Okay, then next is message template. So we're going to create a new messaging template from scratch. So very important. So click on edit. Okay, so we're going to leave this part. Then there are two options: pre-filled message, or you go for frequent asked question. I strongly recommend frequent asked question. So I'm gonna go for this. Okay, you can see, can I speak with an agent? Okay, so I'm gonna change all of this, all right? So number 2 is next. So for number 3, so usually 3 is the custom number of FAQs, but you could add extra 2, which is a total of 5 at maximum. So I'm going to add 1 and also add 2 once. Okay, so this is the 4th one. And then for the last one, okay, so let's just make it 5. All right, then you come here and you confirm if there's any error in spelling or in writing. So can I visit the properties before making a purchase? Where is your office located? What other areas do you have properties in Abuja and Port Harcourt? How does Capital City ensure the value of my investment grows? Can I customize my property to suit my taste? All right, so that's good. We're gonna leave that for now. So let's name it July, August template. Okay, so we can save here. Okay, so we are good to go. So we allow it to load and save. So that's all. So at this junction, this is where I usually turn on the ad preview. Okay, so you could play the video if you want. So you could also preview the destination. This is the WhatsApp. Very beautiful, right? Now, one big secret about this FAQs is that it helps to start or to ignite a conversation. So you need to learn how to use it for your own advantage as an advertiser or as a salesperson or as a digital marketer, right? So let's click on publish. Okay, so you can see our campaign has been published successfully. Then if you want to get a preview link, so click on the edit button. Okay, so click on the ad, make sure you're previewing the ad, not the destination. Then you click on this arrow button that shows share. So you can send notification to the Facebook or the Facebook mobile feed or marketplace, but it's best you go with the link. So we share the link, click on share a link. Then you make sure this button is turned on, then you click on copy. So you could send this to your client or you could review it yourself on your mobile device. So once you click on this link on your browser, you follow the on-screen instruction, then you'll be able to see the ads preview on your Facebook profile feed, on your Facebook feed. So click on done. That's all. Congratulations. Launch another successful campaign. All right, so I usually want to click on the campaigns to show every campaign on this ad account. Then I would want to unmark this, and unmark this.